Hi guys, it's Hannah from TubeBuddy Support, and today I'm going to show you how to attach your license to your YouTube channel. First, go to TubeBuddy.com and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you will go to the home page. There, you will see any channels that have been added to your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see your active license listed next to a blue button labeled Manage. Clicking on that button will take you to the next screen where you can attach your channel. Under the section labeled Licensed Channels, you will select the correct channel you wish to attach to the license by clicking on the green button labeled Apply directly to the right of the channel name. You have now attached your license to your channel and will be able to use all the tools that are included in your specific license type. For more tips on how to utilize our amazing tools, be sure to subscribe to our TubeBuddy YouTube channel. I'm Hannah with TubeBuddy Support. Thanks for watching.